Okay, so wetin come be the pidgin word of the day? You go say that guy dey totori me, or stop it, e dey totori my body. One neka pidgin English video, but this one na bad thing. No, so this video is see, if you not reach years, oya comot for here. We'll see you for the next one. Oya log off. Have your mate log off for that place. Okay, so wetin na dey call sex for pidgin English? I go like know wetin you dey particularly call sex for pidgin. Wetin be sex for pidgin? Write it down in the comments while we jump right into the video. So because I wan give una time not to copy my own assignment, una no copy me o. Write that sex for comments, so I no go start with that one. Make we talk every other thing. Now, have you ever wondered what the female reproductive organ is called in pidgin? It's called T-O-T-O-E-O. It just sounds raw. So in order for us not to make it sound raw, I give una another word wey they use called the reproductive organ. We dey call am pecus. Pecus. K-P-E. Pecus. Pecus. That get pecus dey smell. I say PG-18, okay? So allow me. Okay, so what do you guys call a lady of the night? Okay, the sex workers, we call them Ashewo for here. They have different names, Ashewo or Ashi. Okay, from the word Ashewo, now they call them Ashi. Ashana, some people they call them Ashana, some people they call them Okpo. Okpo, that girl na Okpo, that girl na strong Okpo. It means that she's a sex worker. So when that guy or that girl is doing your body in a certain way, your body is sweeping you, your body they do you one kind, you go say that guy they totori me, or stop it, they totori my body. Totori me one time, are you a Wizkid fan? Totori me 2 times, totori me 3 times, totori me 4 times, God, why am I raz? Totori now when, I'm not sure explain that for English, but when you just get feeling for person and the person just touch your body, all your body goes, you know, that feeling that you get when somebody that you love touches you now. Totori. So there's this one that I learned from this female Nigerian comedian called Real Worry Pikin, and I think say now so they call her for worry. If they want to romance somebody, they call her lalo. She will say when she talks about her husband, she will say, I go lalo you for 30 minutes, I go lalo you for 1 hour. It means that I'm going to romance you and do all those oral sex things for a long time. So lalo, see all these names in pidgin, they are too strong and they are not sweet, to be very honest. So let us go to the main one, which is sex. I hope you answer. I don't write an answer for comment section. So now we can go right ahead. So did they call sex oblo? Oblo. Now from Real Worry Pikin, I still learn this word. Also, they call am blow, like B-L-O-W. I want blow that girl fine, but like blow am. It means that you like to have sex with her. We also use the F word when we want to describe that. We also use F-U-C-K. I don't feel, ew. I can't believe I'm doing this kind of video. It's so raw, but we're learning pidgin. I want to say, aren't we? Yes, we aren't. We are learning the pidgin, so all of them join. I forget one word though, Olosho, lady of the night, they call them Olosho, Okpo, Ashi, Ashana, Ashawo. Very, very strong words. I forgot to add that. So is there any sex related word that I forgot to tell you guys in pidgin? If there is any, ask me in the comment, and or write down for comments. Teach us, make we learn. Not only me, now everybody sabi. We're all gonna learn from each other. Okay, so wetin come be the pidgin word of the day? The pidgin word of the day na tuma. The place say this tuma na Cameroon pidgin, and it means sex. So I go like tuma the girl, I would like tuma that guy, or me and my husband tuma yesterday. It still means sex. So let me know if you enjoyed this video, and smash the subscribe button if you feel say you won't be part of this family. If you know I'm part of the family, you know if you my video not subscribe, but if you feel say you like, hit the subscribe button and share the video. Also smash the thumbs up button. I go see you now for my next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.